Okay, you guys didn't waste any time. I haven't even put the tray down yet. Hi, guys. Hi, Teddy. Hi, Shelby. And we have Piper and Dolly and Pepper and Shelby and Teddy. Okay, and here's a new baby. Alrighty, Shelby's a little afraid. Who's that over there, Ricky? Hey, Ricky, are you with Casey? Oh, how cute. Make sure nobody gets in there, huh? Okay, good boy. Okay, let's see who else is going to go on the tray. Anybody else coming on the tray? Anybody? Shelby? Okay. You coming? Anybody? There you go. Okay, same guys. Anybody else? Okay. How about you guys, Ginger and Reggie? Oh, Reggie, you're such a chicken. Okay. Alrighty. Here you go, guys. There you go.